Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will explain you how Temu affiliate program works and how to join it. First of all, open the Google and write this simple keyword inside the Google search, Temu affiliate program, and you need to open the first result. First of all, you need to sign in your account and you will automatically join to Temu's affiliate program. And first of all, they will gift you free money. As you can see, this is my local currency. It's around $2. So they just gift me a starting balance right here. So everything is ready to start using the affiliate program. The rules are very simple. You just need to copy the invite link and you need to send it to your friends or create a video and put the link in the description or create a story or anything else, guys. It's up to you how you will share your link. If you're an influencer, you will get much more bonuses, so you can go to this page and click authorize to unlock. Then you need to enter your social media, TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, and if they will accept you, you will get much more bonuses. But if you are a regular user, you can just go to the main page and you just need to scroll all the way down, and here you will see your invite links, your coupon codes. So for example, this is my local currency. It's around $100. So this is $100 coupon code in my case. So I need to click share right here. You need to click copy and you need to send this link to your friends. And once a person will sign up using this link and make an order, you will get the bonus, guys. The bonuses might be different, guys. It depends how big will be the order. But as I know, guys, people are getting nice bonuses from Temu. So that's how you can start using their affiliate program. Here will be your balance and you can click the withdraw button right here. There are two options. The minimum withdrawal is around $8. And once you will get $8, you can send your money to PayPal or you can send your money to Temu credit and buy stuff on Temu, guys, using your credit balance. So this is very simple. Just earn money on Temu, click withdraw and send your money to PayPal. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.